Basic tutorial on creating AI-enhanced videos, a step-by-step guide. Introduction. Creating AI videos is a cutting-edge method that utilizes artificial intelligence to enhance and streamline the video creation process. In this tutorial, we'll take a look at how to produce compelling AI videos by drawing inspiration from existing content and using various AI tools to assist in each step of production. Step 1. Finding inspiration. Start by exploring reference YouTube channels that align with the theme of the video you intend to create. For instance, Hypernatural History. Check out channels like Sagas, AI Historian Official, and History Bypass. Hypernatural Horror. Visit the same set of channels as above for horror-themed content. Hypernatural News. This topic is still under consideration for categorization. Select any short video from these channels, which will serve as a reference and inspiration for your content. Step 2. Script acquisition and adaptation. Download your chosen short video. Go to the video's URL, copy it, and then use an AI-based service, such as dubdub.ai or downsub.ai to transcribe the video content into a script format. Once you have the script, use OpenAI's ChatGPT to command adjustments to the story, ensuring it is sufficiently modified and rewritten, making it unique for your video. Step 3. Visual prompting and research. Utilize ChatGPT to create visual prompts for each sentence of your script, guiding the imagery that will be associated with your narration. Additionally, leveraging platforms like Pinterest can help with conceptualizing thematic visuals and providing inspiration. Google Lens can be utilized to extract text from images found on Pinterest, assisting in prompt creation. Step 4. Image generation. For original visual content, employ AI-based image creation tools like Leonardo.ai. This will allow you to generate images that match the prompts and narrative of your video. Step 5. Gathering images. Besides Leonardo.ai, you can use other AI tools like Midjourney to acquire images tailored to your video content. Step 6. Video editing. Once you have your script and visuals ready, import them into a video editing software such as CapCut. Here, you'll assemble your images, add transitions, insert background music or sound effects, and overlay the narrated script. During this stage, cut and arrange your footage to best tell the story. Remember that editing is where the video truly comes to life, so take your time to review and refine the sequence of images and narration. Conclusion. Finalize your video with any last-minute adjustments and enhancements. Ensure the pacing is engaging, the audio is clear, and the visuals are captivating. Once you are satisfied with the finished product, you can then upload it to your chosen platform, whether it be YouTube, social media, or another content distribution network. Remember, the key to success in video creation is creativity and experimentation. Don't be afraid to try new techniques and push the boundaries of what AI can assist you with in your video projects.